Hello guys, welcome back again. I am so sorry I'm not able to come live today, but I have a very important message to share with you guys. You see, marriage, you see a relationship, it can work for anybody. It can work for two of you if you understand the language of marriage, if you understand the language of being married. Marriage and relationship is beautiful, but the people involved in marriage and relationship are the people that makes it look like marriage and relationship could be toxic sometimes. You only need to speak two languages in your marriage and in your relationship to help save your marriage and your relationship. And I am not talking about coming from you alone or coming from your guy alone. Both of you need to understand how to speak the language of marriage and the language of relationship. The first thing you need to understand is how to use two words. The first word is I am sorry. So, trust me, guys, you really need to learn how to use the word I am sorry. And honestly, be sorry. When you are sorry, it doesn't take anything away from you. It doesn't make you smaller. It doesn't make you bigger. It doesn't make you less relevant in the relationship. You have to calm down. You have to let your guards down and really be sorry. If you have done something, apologize. Learn to apologize. And when you apologize, the other person also has to learn to forgive. Forgiveness is the key to a strong and healthy relationship. And also, even if you're the one apologizing, remember to forgive yourself. If you don't forgive yourself in certain areas of your life, you will not be able to forgive someone. Forgive yourself, forgive your spouse, apologize to one another, and move on. Move on in the relationship. Stop coming back to, like when something go wrong, your partner has apologized, you guys has moved on. Sometime down the road, sometime down the memory lane, you come back again to remember what happened years ago, 2 months ago, last week, when she or he has apologized. Please, I urge you to forgive and move on. Never go to bed holding grudges against your partner. It is not healthy in any way. If two of you will learn to apologize and learn to forgive when you are wrong, again, it doesn't matter, it doesn't take away anything from you. Forgive, forget, have some soft touch in you. Being a man or being a woman, when you are married, you gotta let certain things go. You gotta start letting your guards down sometimes to say, you know what, I am the man. Yes, I apologize. Yes, I am wrong. And let us move on. Move on, guys. It could be sweet. Trust me, guys, if you don't have this in your relationship, if you don't apologize regularly or you don't forgive regularly, your relationship is going to be very toxic and it's not going to lead you anywhere. Those are the key two words I want you guys to phantom into your relationship and start making your relationship work. So many things are going on around the social media, around the globe, between couple. You need to remember why you got married. Why did you get married? Why did you entangle yourself in this relationship? I know that sometimes we sit back, we think about it. Why did we even get in here? But remember, if you remember why you got into this entanglement in the first place, it could save your marriage. So, guys, those are the two words that I want to share with you guys. Forgive, apologize, and move on. Make you guys some special dinner, have some wine, have some champagne, and have the momentum going. Marriage could be a beautiful thing. So guys, let me leave you guys here. Remember, subscribe, share the video. I will see you guys next time. I love you guys. Bye bye.